Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clean the filter on the water inlet on your Karcher K2 Compact. So right now we are unplugged from the mains, and if we go to where you normally plug in your hose pipe here, that's where the filter is located, just in here. So you're going to grab this, you're going to turn it counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, like so. It might be quite stiff. And we're going to take that out like so, and this is the filter located just here. So we're going to grab this and take it out. You may need pliers. Let's see if this is going to come out. It's coming. There we go. And this is the little filter here. This one's quite clean. I can see a few little marks around the place. So I'm going to bring this over to the sink now and give it a nice good clean. So I'm just going to get some warm water, and I'm just running it through. I'm running it through the gauze, and then hopefully it will come out the bigger holes here. There we go, so that's nice and clean. Let's pop it back in. And it can go in any way, but I'm just going to place it horizontal with the tab here horizontal so I can grab it again easier in the future. So just placing it in like so and push it home. There we go. So you can see there's not much sticking out. If I rest my finger against it, it's just under my nail. And now we're just going to put this back on and screw up clockwise. There we go, that's it. That's how to clean the water inlet filter on your Karcher K2 Compact. Thanks for watching.